That junk red Mustang. Yeah. That junk red Mustang. That junk red. Yeah. She's a faded candy apple, sunburned by the years. Got rust around the wheel wells in the dash, full of old tears. Passenger floors got daylight shining through the steel, and the radio only works when you punch it with your heel. The driver's seat is torn up, springs poking through my jeans. The paint's held on by memories and a couple busted dreams. The neighbors all keep laughing, say it's headed for the yard, but they don't know she's carried me through every scar. She ain't fast anymore, she ain't pretty no more, but every dent tells a story that I can't ignore. That junk red Mustang, 64 and a half, 260 under the hood, trying hard to make it last. She's smoking at the stoplight, leaking everywhere, but when I grab that shifter, man, I